Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umuri dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Perkenalkan nama saya Rima Siti Rahmawati. Di sini saya akan sedikit menjelaskan tentang basic theory of aggregate supply. First, introduction. This study analyzes the basic theory of aggregate something using a rigid price model in the context of the Indonesian economy, based on a survey of 10 large companies in Indonesia. It was found that 40% of companies have rigid price, while 60% have flexible price. Literature review. The basic theory of aggregate supply, in particular the rigid price model, has been the focus of macroeconomic research in Indonesia in recent years. A study by Purwono analyzes price behavior in Indonesia manufacturing sector, finding that around 50 maaf, 40 of companies saw a tendency to price targeting. The study used survey data from 500 manufacturing companies and found that factors such as long-term contract and menu cost to price rigidity. The expectation aspect in the rigid price model is discussed in depth by Ramayandi and Wibowo using inflation expectation survey data from Bank Indonesia. They saw that the difference between actual and expected inflation has a significant impact on short-term output fluctuation in Indonesia. They estimate that for every 1% difference between actual and expected inflation output deviates by about 0.7% from its potential level. Method. This study uses a quantitative analysis method by applying a mathematical model of a great supply to hypothetical data that reflects economic condition. Key parameters are calculated and input to describe the dynamic of the aggregate supply. The rigid price model in use of the main framework focus on the calculation of parameters that determine the slope of the short term. This data used included the proportion of company with rigid price. So the analysis showed that with 40 of companies having rigid. This is the output sensitive parameter atau di rumusnya alpha to an actual price scenario where the actual price is 5% higher than expected. The distribution of companies by sector show the diversity in the sample with 3 companies in the manufacturing sector, 3 in the service sector, and 1 company each in the retail, technology, energy, and property sector. This diversity allows for a more comprehensive analysis of how price stiffness affect various sectors on the economy. The data in the calculation above are yang pertama ada parameter calculation. Bisa dilihat ini rumusnya. Yang kedua ini output deviation calculation. 3 calculation of actual output, dan masih banyak lagi. This calculation show how an unanticipated price sets of 5% led to an increase in output by above its natural rate, with a significant difference in response between firms with rigid and flexible price. In addition, this research analyzes the basic theory of aggregate supply using rigid price model. Based on the data collection, 40% of companies in the economy have rigid price, while the desired price respond parameter to output using the formula calculate the K parameter of the short-term aggregate supply curve. This value indication the sensitive of the output to on price change. Discussion. The result of this study house saw that in economy with 40% of firms having rigid price, the sensitive of output to price change in quite significance with a alpha parameter of in line with the research of Purwono. When on a similar proportion of companies with rigid price in Indonesia manufacturing sector. This price regionally has important influence for macroeconomy dynamics. The difference in response between companies with rigid and flexible pricing is very interesting. Companies with rigid referencing price expression and average output in scarce. With companies with flexible price only Nugroho, in the Health study of Indonesia service sector also found similar difference in response, showing that this phenomenon in concern across various economic sectors. Conclusion. This study analyzes the basic theory of aggregate supply using a rigid price model in the context of the Indonesia economy. The main results show that with 40% of firms having rigid price, the sensitive of the output to unsensitive price change in quite significant with parameter. This finding provide strong empirical evidence to support the relevance of the rising model in fixing short-term macroeconomy in the dynamic in Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are many words or errors. That's all my explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.